What's up, guys? Now I am watching a golden moments at the evening time, and I am standing on Nagrobari River Port right now, and I am standing on the bank of Jamuna River, and I will show you everything minutely. The huge blue sky over my head, and you see a lot of cargo boats. A lot of cargoes are here. This is the Jamuna River, and right now I am staying at Nagarobari Ghat, one of the renowned river port in Bangladesh. And the people are taking bath, you see. All labor classes people are working here. You see the surrounding around the surrounding of beside me. You see a crane, and you see a huge crane.